Welcome to this MS Consult tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you how to change your sage100 language in just 3 easy steps. As you can see, this interface is set to German, since we are located in Germany. To change your language, to English for example, simply open your Windows control panel and click on the region settings. From there, choose the language according to the language pack you've bought and confirm your selection. When you now open your sage100, it will be displayed in the chosen language. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to contact us via email, phone or live chat.